Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Markets Breakdown Analysis for Thursday, the 30th of November 2023. We'll be breaking down charts into the exact zones where price will close above potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the daily candle for Wednesday, now the daily is looking dodgy bullish, but overall price have been ranging, consolidating within the 4-hour time frame. And now quickly looking at the weekly is actually extremely bullish at this point and tapping into a weekly rejection formed back on the 7th of May 2023. Now it'll be interesting to see whether we're going to see continuation to the upside, or is this the indication to see maybe some sort of a pullback on the high time frame. And now to break down the chart and drop it down to the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see we have the most recent 4-hour support formed around 20.40.100. The most recent 4-hour resistance formed around 20.46.900. Drop it down to the hourly time frame and zooming in, and what we can see, we have this range on the hourly, and this actually looks really messy. I mean, we do have an hourly support in here, but then the next level, that's a small range. And then again, the next level, we have a small range. So ideally, it's just to adjust it to this hourly support around 20.36.900. So let's say 20.37. And the level of resistance, we have this recent 1-hour resistance. And again, we're going to adjust it to this hourly resistance on the left around 20.50. So probably this is going to be the no trade zone. And what we're going to do here is we're going to have the potential buys above 20.50. And potential sells could be below 20.37 as price break and close out of this range. And this is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys. And here's the thing. So price is tapping into an almost an all-time high. And let's have a look on a monthly. A monthly, what do we see? We have a monthly rejection formed around 20.79, dropping down to the weekly time frame. And it's actually, for some reason, it's not really allowing me to adjust this so I can get this to the bottom, but let's have a look. Okay, so now what we can see, we have a weekly rejection formed on the 30th of April 2023. That was around 20.79, dropping down to the daily time frame and looking on the left. What do we see? Let's have a look. So we have this daily rejection, not really a rejection, but we have this daily high formed around 20.59.800. But let's put a line at this level, drop it down to the 4-hour time frame and looking again on the left. In this case, we'll be on this way. What do we see? We're looking for May. Now again, this is a 4-hour high around 20.59, drop it down to the hourly time frame. What do we see? Again, this is the same level, I believe. So what we're going to do here is we're going to target the 4-hour high that was formed on the 4th of May 2023, around 20.59.500 for the first target for buys. The second target for buys, now here's the thing. So it is getting really tight on this level, and price is trading within a rejection area at this level. We have a huge rejection formed on the 30-minute time frame. I would say maybe the second target for buys, we could have it around 20.62. And I know this is a small range. Let's have a look again on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so apart from this price action, all we can see is we have this huge rejection formed on the 15-minute time frame. So I'd say the second target for buys could potentially be 20.63.100, targeting this 15-minute high. And now to look for potential sells, and going back to the daily. The first thing we can see is we have this strong bullish candle on the left, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. We have this 4-hour open around 20.3500, dropping down to the hourly, 30-minute, clean traffic all the way down to this 30-minute support. So I would say the first target, which will be the exact same analysis we've had for sell zone yesterday, I'd say the first target for sales could potentially be 20.3500, targeting this 4-hour low. The second target for sells, now we have this 30-minute support formed around, let's have a look, that was formed around 20.25. I'd say the second target for sells could potentially be 20.25, targeting the 30-minute support formed on the 28th of November 2023.
Dominion Markets, your trading sanctuary.